How to 3D print a scoliosis brace. Advanced 3D printing for truly personalized orthotic solutions. Precision starts with scanning, capturing every contour for a perfect fit. Seamless digital design with intelligent slicing software. The MS01 High-Temperature Pellet 3D printer is an ideal solution for producing custom scoliosis braces. With an industrial-grade nozzle temperature of up to 400 degrees Celsius and a build size of up to 650 millimeters, it delivers maximum performance for engineering-grade materials. Using biocompatible PP composite pellets, the MS01 can produce personalized braces in just 5 to 8 hours. Each scoliosis brace undergoes careful finishing steps, including precision drilling, edge smoothing, and fine-tuning to ensure an optimal fit. These detailed adjustments not only enhance comfort and wearability, but also improve the brace's durability and overall aesthetics, helping patients feel confident during daily use. Resilience. You can trust. Tested for durability with elastic tensile force checks. Sleek, lightweight, and breathable, each custom 3D printed scoliosis brace is thoughtfully designed to provide maximum comfort and support throughout the day. Ready to advance scoliosis care? Visit PioCreat3D.com.